So this is a 2-inch KZco valve that you'll see on an RFS rural fire appliance. It's an aluminium body with a stainless steel ball and PTFE seals on either end of the ball. What can happen during assembly or prior to it being delivered is that these bolts may not be the correct tension, or when it's built into the truck, some misalignment occurs, a bit of angle, bit of movement, a bit of swarf from the build of the truck, even lump of plastic or whatever can get caught in the seal. If the bumper monitor is leaking, what you need to do is tilt the cab and have a look at the valve. Now, the first thing I would do is open or loosen the bolts. If it's only a small leak, then not a big issue. My first thing would be to just loosen all 4 of these bolts. Give it a bit of a shake and a wobble. Make sure it's all aligned. Then, with a tension wrench, 14 foot-pound, 19 newton meters, retension these 4 bolts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is quickly disassemble this valve so you can see the internal components. So, end plate, end cap, threaded. On your appliance, that will be epoxy glued to a pipe. You then have your PTFE valve seal or seat. Make sure there's nothing in here, no big scours or foreign matter. It will self-heal to a certain extent. And on the reverse side, it's exactly the same. And what you will see inside is a stainless steel ball valve. To assemble, insert the seat, put on the cap, same on the reverse side. Now, if it's bolted into the truck, you're not going to have the movement, but this whole assembly will lift out, drop in. You'll notice likely residue of a thread locker, Loctite 243, semi-permanent, ideal just for vibration purposes. 2, 3, and 4. Split washer on the nut end. Now, the important thing, when it's sitting in the truck, make sure that these 2 end plates are aligned. If, when you sit the valve body between the 2 end plates and you see they're offset or not parallel, then we might have a problem. But I don't think you're ever going to see that unless the truck's had something serious go wrong with it. Loosely tension all 4 bolts. Finally, with a tension wrench set to 14 foot-pounds, 19 newton meters, tension each of these 4 bolts evenly. And I'm not going to go through the whole process, but once they're evenly tensioned, pretty much done, go and test the valve.